Oh, you deserve it. And I mentioned how to draw a realistic eye. And I don't know if that was gonna be easier or harder because yeah, I didn't draw much realistic when I was a younger. But I thought I can't do that. So yeah. So let's get started. First draw the circle I wanted. Draw a big circle. And draw a smaller one inside of it. Draw a line on it. Draw a line below the smaller circle on it. First, use a ruler. So like this. Make sure the left part of it is smaller than the right part of it. For the draw a reflection. Draw a smaller circle inside the pupil. To draw like that. Draw a reflection. And then draw a cornea. So draw a curve on the top of it. So yeah, start from the right part of it. Make sure to leave the space on the line on it, because you will draw the line later on the top. So draw it. And then draw the path on the top of the pupil to make it more realistic. Draw it down. Draw it down. And then again, do them with them space on it, little, just a little, and then draw the path on the line on it, draw the path to the line, and then draw a little bit of curve line on it, draw a little bit of curve line. And draw again draw the cornea. And again draw the line on the top of it. Draw it up and down. And then erase all the important details on it. And then put a darker color on it inside a smaller circle. But as you can see, there's a line of a big circle on it. There's a line of a big circle on it. All we have to do is make it darker. All you have to do is make it darker on it. And then draw some shadings on it to make it more realistic. So from darker to wider. And then rub it if needed. You can rub it. And draw a lot of shadings. Draw it, and then draw them races. Draw them rays inside the pupil. Draw it smaller. and then rub it again. Make sure all the rays are still visible when you rub it. And then draw some shadings on the cornea. And one on the top of it. Draw some shadings. And on the candle, there's a curve on it. There's a bit of curve on it. All we have to do is shade it darker. No, shade it wider. Because, yeah, that was a part of it. Shade it wider. First draw the line on it. And then shade it wider. And that's how you shade it. And you can rub it. Focus on shading the top part of it and the bottom part of it. Because we will draw them eyelids on it later. So focus on shading on it. And then draw them bottom eyelashes. Draw them bottom eyelids. And then draw them shadings again to make it more realistic. And then draw them upper eyelids on it. And rub it if you can. And then draw them eyelashes. No, draw them eyebrows. Not eyelashes, sorry. Draw them eyebrows on it. And then we'll draw off that. So that's how we draw the eye. So draw them few shadings if you want. So that was a little bit hard to draw because, like I said, I didn't draw much realistic when I was younger. But now, yeah, I can draw it. Like that. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching. So I hope you watch my next video or more about the next challenge.